Hi guys, today's video, we are going to check out the 5 best cordless drill. Cordless drill is a versatile and portable power tool that is commonly used for drilling holes and driving screws. It operates on rechargeable batteries, making it more convenient than corded drills, especially when working in areas where power outlets are unavailable or in tight spaces. Most modern cordless drills are powered by lithium-ion or nickel-cadmium batteries, which provide good power and longer life between charges. You can control the speed of drilling and adjust the torque to ensure the correct power for the material you are working with. Cordless drills are typically smaller and lighter, which makes them easier to handle, especially for extended periods. Cordless drills come in a variety of sizes and power ratings, which can affect their performance for different tasks. A higher voltage, for example, 18 volts or 20 volts typically offers more power for tougher tasks, while a lower voltage, for example 12 volts, is better for lighter use. So let's find out.
At number 5. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 4. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want more information about this product, please check description box link below. At number 3. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price can be changed at any time. At number 2. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. At number 1. Sold. Reviews. Rating. Extra % off. Price. If you want to buy this product, please check description box. Thanks for watching and see you again for new videos.